Guys, Bitcoin broke out of this inverse head and shoulders formation. We broke out to the upside. We got some resistance from the middle of the descending channel. But yeah, eventually we broke above this resistance as well, guys. I'm going to show you right here in the Bitcoin chart, in the immediate short-term time frame, what I think is going to happen with the Bitcoin price. Then guys, I'm going to show you one signal right here in the Ethereum chart, which might signal that Ethereum is going to take off or is going to continue this uptrend in the Bitcoin comparative, which is very, very interesting, guys. Make sure to don't miss it. And guys, of course, we are as well going to have a look at our Cardano trade, because yeah, we have been long in Cardano right at the 61.80%. We are going to have a talk about what is going on right here, what is going on with the Bitcoin dominance, and what can we expect with the overall liquidity in the crypto markets. Will it be divided into altcoins, or will it be concentrated in Bitcoin? So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Sharon. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Guys, right now, let's jump into the Bitcoin chart. But before we are zooming in on the Bitcoin chart, guys, let's take with every single one of us 1 single minute, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, guys. That is truly appreciated. And yeah, guys, thank you again, everybody, for reaching this 10,000 subscribers milestone. That is truly amazing. And yeah, just really awesome that we can do this together, and that we have right here a very fast and one of the best crypto communities out there on YouTube. So okay, guys, let's dive into the Bitcoin price. So let's first go to the shorter term time frame, and let's go to the 1 hour chart. And guys, when we have a look at the 1 hour chart, and yeah, in general, we have been talking a lot that Bitcoin is trading within this descending channel, right? And right here, when we've touched support, I've been saying that, yeah, most likely we are going to see a bounce from this level, at least, guys, to the middle of the channel right here, which we also got some resistance from right here. And yeah, the most important signal for this bounce was, of course, the bullish divergence that we are seeing on the RSI, because normally when we are seeing a bullish divergence on the RSI in a market with such a lot of bullish momentum, then that is actually quite bullish. And right now we are seeing Bitcoin continuing this bounce, and we broke above the middle of the declining channel, and we got rejected slightly below the 78.60%. And right now we are getting supported by the 61.80%. The 61.80% is at approximately 54,640, and the 78.60% is at approximately 55,770. Then guys, one important signal that we are seeing right now is a nice uptrend in the RSI. And I think if Bitcoin were to break, if we were to break this momentum support in the RSI, then that is definitely signaling us early on that, yeah, we are changing the momentum right here, and that we are going back to the downside. So I would expect Bitcoin, guys, to continue to trade within this descending channel. So it is possible that right here we are seeing a continuation of this uptrend, and we are going to test this declining resistance. That is definitely possible. I think the likelihood that we are getting a rejection from there is higher than that we are breaking out from it. But guys, it is definitely possible that we are going to break out from it, and that Bitcoin is going to break a market structure. But normally it is easier to keep on trading in the same market structure than to break out and to enter a new market structure. But sooner or later, we have to enter a new market structure. And the market structure right now is this descending channel. And sooner or later, we will see a break out of this channel, right? However, I think in the immediate short-term time frame, I think it makes more sense that we are first going to get a rejection, that there is a lot of resistance there. And that level right now, if we have a look at the exact moment right now, then that level is at approximately 56,600. But guys, that resistance level is of course declining over time. So if we would reach that level later on, then that level will be lower than what we are seeing right now at approximately 56,600. So that is important to notice. Right now, I still think that Bitcoin is in a corrective structure, right? As long as we are trading within this descending channel, I would expect Bitcoin to continue in this market structure, unless we are decisively leaving this market structure entering a new market structure. Guys, I want to share another thing, another chart real quick, which is a signal I've seen over on Twitter. And yeah, that is the CME Bitcoin Futures expiration. And I have been doing some research into this, and my conclusion in general was that normally when we are seeing the futures contracts being expired, and even though when there is a lot of volume, we are seeing increased volatility, but there is not a clear direction, whether it's increased volatility to the upside or increased volatility to the downside. It's just increased volatility. However, if we have a look at the past couple of months right here, then you can see that the CME Futures expiration almost always happened when Bitcoin approximately bottomed out. And right here we have seen kind of something similar right yesterday. Bitcoin also formed kind of a bottom, and afterwards it bounced. So guys, I do thought this is interesting to point out, but yeah, more interestingly, I'm interested in your opinion, guys. So let me know what you think about this chart, about the CME Futures expirations. What kind of impact do you think it has on the Bitcoin price? Guys, let me know in the comment section down below. Then let's right now go to Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative, because yeah, Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative is just looking very, very interesting on the daily time frame. And guys, before we are zooming in right here on the Ethereum chart on the daily time frame, I want to announce that right now I am organizing a discount for my cryptocurrency trading course, and if you enroll right now into my cryptocurrency trading course, you can get a discount of $100. And my cryptocurrency trading course is a very complete course which will teach you everything you need to know about these cryptocurrency markets in order to be a profitable cryptocurrency trader, and in order to create your own profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy. So guys, for more information, you can go to the blockchaintoday.com. I have a link to my website as well down below in the description. But right now there is a huge discount going on, which is a temporary discount and most likely will end within the next couple of weeks. So take advantage of that right now when you still can. Then guys, when we have a look at Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative, then we are actually in a uprising channel, which is a uptrend. Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative is already in an uptrend, but a uptrend never goes in one line, right? It always goes with ups and downs, hitting resistance, hitting support, going from one extreme emotion to another extreme emotion, from extreme greed to extreme panic. And yeah, right here we can see that like slightly we are at the bottom of the channel. We actually broke below the bottom, but I personally do think that these are good times to accumulate Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative. And right here we are seeing something interesting on the daily time frame, which is a bullish divergence. We created a higher low in the RSI, in the momentum indicator, but we have been setting a lower low right here in the price. And this is a slight bullish divergence, I know, but most of the time, guys, these rallies, the start of these rallies are coming along with a fake out to the downside. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame right here. Let me show you what I mean. So we had a very clear horizontal support right here in Ethereum, right? And eventually we broke that support to the downside slightly. We broke it to the downside. We got a fake out and we got back above this level. Normally that is actually quite a bullish sign when that comes along with a bullish divergence, and we are seeing that bullish divergence right now as well. So that is something I wanted to point out. I think what we are seeing right now in Ethereum, guys, could actually be the start of a rally that we are going to see right here in the next few weeks. Of course, there's another chart which has to align with this chart in order for this to happen. But before I'm going to show you that signal, guys, we first going to have a look at Cardano in the Bitcoin comparative. Because we have been talking about Cardano in the Bitcoin comparative, right? We have been saying before, early on the channel, we have been saying right here to accumulate, to buy Cardano the moment we broke out. But after the rally, after this breakout, I've been creating videos and telling you guys that you should be buying right here at the 61.80%, which in hindsight was a good level to buy, right? Right now we have seen a pump in Cardano, but we also are coming down. We've set a lower high right here. So yeah, it is possible that Cardano is going to correct further, we can use a Fibonacci retracement tool on this move as well, from the bottom till the top. Then you can see that we are almost at the 61.80%, which is approximately at 2167 Satoshi. So this could be a nice next accumulation level, where if you are bullish on Cardano and you want to accumulate Cardano, this could be a level or a new entry point, right? I think Cardano is definitely looking bullish as long as we are going to see the liquidity of the crypto markets being divided in the crypto markets and not being too much concentrated in Bitcoin. And that is exactly the next chart I want to show you guys, is the Bitcoin dominance. And I have been talking so much about the Bitcoin dominance because I think right now it's just one of the most interesting charts out there. And if I'm zooming out on the Bitcoin dominance, we have a very clear horizontal zone, support resistance zone. And yeah, it has been acting as resistance in the past. And once we broke above this level, it has been acting as support. And right now we are still above this level. Bitcoin dominance is still holding this level. But yeah, I think it is possible that in the near future we are going to break this level to the downside. And that, guys, if we were to see a decisive break to the downside, is for me a confirmation, or it increases the likelihood that we are going to see a nice altcoin season where you can make a lot of money in trading altcoins, right? So this is a very interesting signal. We had on the other side, we have a nice uptrend which can be broken as well, which so far hasn't been broken yet. We are testing the support, so it makes sense if we are still seeing a small bounce from this level before we are breaking out to the downside. But yeah, these are the levels that I'm watching. This horizontal support, which is approximately ending right here, let's say approximately the 60% level right here, calculated by TradingView on this chart. And yeah, the uptrend in the RSI is quite clear, right? If we were to break the uptrend in the RSI, I think that can be an early signal that we are going to break in the chart as well. But yeah, the ultimate confirmation is of course the breakout in the chart. But okay, guys, that was it for today's analysis. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If so, guys, do make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video or whenever I go live on YouTube. Then for every single one of you who's interested in my cryptocurrency training course, right now you can enroll with a $100 discount using the code blockchain100. More information to be found at theblockchaintoday.com. I have a link down below in the description as well. Then for every single one of you who hasn't seen one of my tutorials, you can go over there, have a look, and I'm gonna see every single one of you in the next video.